I'm here with Oakland, and we are at my parents' place in Ohio, and they're actually not here right now. They're in Holmes County, but I wanted to give you all a tour of their little house, as we call it, shop house. Used to be my dad's spray finishing shop, and a long time ago we did live in here, but then he converted it to his like business shop that he worked in for years, and they sold their main house last year, and this is the one that they're living at mostly on the weekends right now, honestly, because they're kind of going between Holmes County and Southern Ohio right now. I want to show you today a little bit more in depth and maybe give you a couple of sources. I don't know where everything is from, and some things are, you know, things that mom's had for years, and other things she's like, I don't remember where, online somewhere. So I might not have a lot of links, but I'll do the best I can with it. We live in Sarasota, Florida, so we're just up here on vacation right now, and I just thought I'd take the chance to film it for you guys. Can you say hello? Yeah. She's getting ready to go down for a nap, right? So they are still working on a couple things. This is just like a basic ranch style home, and I think they're going to be adding some type of roof situation by the door, and they also haven't installed any lights by the door yet, but they're working on it. So this patio is actually pretty new. So this is what the front of it looks like. I love the black windows they have. I know it's very trendy right now, but I really love them. The door, I believe, is actually a dark navy. So if you're curious about it, I honestly don't know the color of it. Mom probably mixed a couple of colors together, knowing her. So I do love these little galvanized pots here. So I'm gonna take you guys inside and show you the rest of the house. Okay, so when you come in the front door, this is what you see. It's all one space. It isn't a very big space, but they do have 2 bedrooms, which are in there and in there. So it just feels a lot more open if there are no walls to separate things. So the kitchen, let me talk about that a little bit. My uncle actually made the cabinets, which is amazing. He also built my coffee table at home, and mom also has one. So it's kind of something he's doing on the side for the most part, but yeah, you could say he dabbles in it, and he did a really good job. My dad painted the cabinets, and he would have done all of the trim in here as far as like the staining, finishing, which is what he's done for years. He kind of retired from it now, but he does a very good job at it. And so as far as the island, the color is cracked pepper, which is by Behr, and I do have it in my house in several walls. So if you're familiar with my house at all, you will maybe recognize it, although it does tend to look a little different on a piece of furniture, I think. The bar stools are very common. I'll see if I can link these if I find, you know, the right kind, but I'm pretty sure I can because they're fairly readily available. This, I believe, is a butcher block countertop. It just looks a little different because they put an actual stain and finish on it rather than just your bare wood look. So mom just has a glass pitcher here in the center, which looks really clean and airy. I do love the lighting in here. I wish I knew where she got them. I may have to find them. So I'll try to put as much stuff, you know, down below as I can, as I mentioned. So they have one glass door cabinet here where she can store some for nicer dishes. And I think that just adds a nice, you know, element to the kitchen. The countertops are, I'm gonna say Formica, because they're, you know, not actually Carrara marble. It is the Carrara, I'm guessing, in the Formica brand, but they decided to not splurge on the countertops and try to save some money there. So the backsplash is, of course, subway tile, which I think adds a nice farmhouse element to it. That is kind of her style in here, and I think it ties all nicely together. And then panning over here, not too much else to explain. There's like a big pantry here, and you know, she just has quite a bit of storage. I'm a little jealous of it. I wanted to point out these really big, deep drawers over here. If I ever have a kitchen that I can design, I'm definitely gonna do that. So Same with this one. She's got, you know, more utensils, baking, that kind of thing. And then these are just a tad bigger. So she has like her Tupperware containers. Like, it's deep, y'all. Yeah, I'm very much in love with these. Up here, I thought I would just show you guys a little bit of her organization she's got going on. She's got multiple different Lazy Susans, which is something that I love using. And then she's got some other containers for some dry goods, baking supplies. She's got, like, you know, your peanut butters, oils, and you name it. So in this cabinet, she has bowls and like dinner plates, bowls, etc. Above the coffee station, she has glasses and coffee mugs. And I'm guessing Mom doesn't want me to show the pantry, but I'm gonna anyway, because, you know, this is a pantry. So it's nice and deep. She's got a lot of space to put things in there, which is really nice. Down in this cabinet beside the oven, it's a pretty deep, large cabinet. So she's able to put some of her bigger appliances, cake pans, just baking supplies, and things like that. A little door here that has a trash can, also some bigger like baking sheets and stuff. I love the big sink that she has over here. It's just very farmhouse, if you will, and, you know, the big sprayer up there. I love the black windows. I just feel like it adds a nice modern feel to it. She has these bamboo shades in the windows, and she's thinking she got them on Amazon. If I can find them, I will try to link them. Okay, moving over here, they did add this shiplap to the wall here, which I think looks great. As far as the living room itself, here in the living room, the rug is from Rugs USA, and you guys may remember it. I have one for my house as well. I only have it out like part of the year. It's got kind of blues, oranges, tans, and she tied that in with the pillows. It's kind of like a red-orange, I guess, but the sectional, I believe they got from Morris Home Furnishings, I think. They had to order it. So I'll see if I can find the link for you. I may not be able to. This coffee table, once again, was made by my uncle. He kind of faked the legs. So if you're thinking of trying something yourself, these are not metal legs. They just kind of look like it. And I've seen these style coffee tables before, and they're usually like a metal of some sort, but I believe they just used actual wood and then just painted it to look a nice kind of matte glossy sheen to it. And Dad then matched the top to like the doors in here, and they kind of coordinate well with the floors, which these floors, I need to ask Mom what they are. I'll have it come up on the screen if I can, but it's some sort of a vinyl, and you just lay it in, if I remember right. I don't think you have to use any like adhesive or anything. She has an old rocker over there. We've had that one for a long time, and she's recovered it multiple times. The shelf there to just kind of style some things. That picture up there is one that was from Hobby Lobby. A lot of you will recognize it. I don't think they sell it anymore though. So yeah, a lot of the decorations are things she's picked up, you know, in years gone by. The black recliner in the corner, I think she's thinking it was from Wayfair, so I'll do some searching. And she has an entertainment center, I guess, if you will, or bookcase. It's sort of an office as well, because like they have their printer there and that sort of thing. So all right, and this is my brother Grant's room. I don't necessarily have a lot to say. He's obviously an Ohio State fan. For those of you who haven't often seen him before, this is my brother. He's my youngest brother. I'm around 12 years older than he is. So this was his high school graduation pictures. And I'll just swivel around here. I honestly don't know where Mom got the comforter and everything. I think it was probably a bed in a bag type of deal. This one, I'm pretty sure it came from Hobby Lobby, because I think the girls used to have it, so she just put it in here. But this is like a really old stand that we've had for years. I think I used it in my bedroom. My sister used to use it, so it's just kind of been passed around. And I don't know what else to say. Oh, this is a picture I took a long time ago in Columbus. And I guess Mom kept it and is still using it. So This is also an old dresser that we've had. Mom used to collect a lot of antiques back in the day, so it's been around for a while. But that is pretty much the extent of his bedroom. Moving over here, she has an old hall tree that we have. She has painted it black, and she has a big basket here just to house some toys and stuff for children. And then up here, the mirror is from Decor Steels, she said, and then she just has this roll top desk, which is actually old. Like, I think my dad had it when he married, I'm thinking. And it used to be like a wood finish and like an oak type of thing. So she went ahead and actually painted it. So if you do have this style of thing and you're not sure what you want to do with it, it is possible. You can paint it. Even the chair is original. We've had this one for years and years and years. She just went ahead and painted that as well. It was looking, you know, decently beat up and just not quite, you know, the nice, more modern style wood look. So they went ahead and, yeah, just painted it. Okay, moving into the laundry room and bathroom. They do have one bathroom in here, so 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. This is a nice big open area, and she has, you know, a nice sink there. And then here is where you go into the bathroom. They do have a closet that goes in here and continues all the way through here, which houses some of their like water softener and that sort of thing, and then just extra storage. So she has got, you know, a bathtub shower unit that was here before actually. And then up here is actually more storage. It is a smaller bathroom, but it works quite nicely. And this is from, I'm gonna say Lowe's. It's a pretty common one, so I'll try to link it. And the mirror is one that I think they had thrifted a long time ago. So then she has a place for towel hooks over there. And my dad is an avid bird watcher, so she's got a bird picture in here. I think they took that out in Montana, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, moving back out into the main area, I'll take you into their bedroom. It's a pretty small bedroom, but they do have a nice closet in here. And then they have, you know, just a nice metal black bed frame, which was most likely from Wayfair or something. These pictures are from Hobby Lobby, and she had them over at the other house in the spare bedroom. So she has this little side table that they had painted a long time ago, and she just decided to use it in here. They have a chair there in the corner, and then this dresser here is one that I used to have in my bedroom, my sister used to use, and so they just kind of put it over here. They got rid of a lot of their furniture, or the people that bought their house kept a lot of the furniture, so they are just kind of making do, or they bought a few newer things. So okay guys, that's it. I hope you all enjoyed the tour and it gives you guys some inspiration if you're needing it. So yes, if you're new, hit the subscribe button. I would love that. I share a lot of things related to home, family, lifestyle, cooking, you name it. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, my handle is @LynetteYoder_. All right guys, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Be blessed. I will see you in my next one. Bye.